Go!
Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Buhari asked to release Nnamdi Kanu on health grounds. Buhari asked to release Nnamdi Kanu on health grounds. To my dear listeners, from wherever you listen from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. President Muhammadu Buhari has been asked to keep on his word at the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly in New York this week and respect the rule of law by releasing Nnamdi Kanu from detention over his deteriorating health. Civil Rights Advocacy Group, Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria, Huriwa, which made the call on Friday, warned that it will be very calamitous for the country should any unsavory incident happen to the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB leader. Huriwa's national coordinator, Emmanuel Owumbiko, in a statement, said it was unfair for Kanu to be illegally detained in the custody of the Department of State Services in Abuja without bail for over 14 months since he was allegedly kidnapped from Kenya. Huriwa's demand for Kanu's bail on health grounds followed an alarm raised on Thursday by the IPOB's lead counsel, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, that the DSS was patronizing a substandard local chemist shop to buy drugs for Kanu, who is said to be suffering from excruciating pains occasioned by gastrointestinal disorder. Ejiofor also reportedly said the discovery was made during the court-ordered routine visit to Kanu in the custody of the secret police in Abuja. Noting that the DSS aside that it failed to provide the requisite medical treatment that would address Kanu's deteriorating health condition, also denied the IPOB leader access to his personal physician and wouldn't allow Kanu's team to purchase his drugs from standard pharmacists. The statement made available to Platinum Post in Abuja said, Owumbiko said, the odious report coming from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lead counsel about his client's condition in the custody of the Department of State Services is disturbing and alarming together. There is the need for rule of law, an end to the crude and primitive treatment of detainees and the release of Kanu on health grounds to stave off the unprecedented consequences of anything happening to him in detention, such as death, given his near messianic support based globally. President Muhammadu Buhari promised world leaders at the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly this week in New York that he would leave a legacy that respects and upholds constitutional democracy and the principle of rule of law. However, it is irreconcilable that the president has watched on for years how the rule of law is flagrantly so violated with impunity on the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The president claimed that he has worked to strengthen our democracy in Nigeria. When he appeared before world leaders on Wednesday in New York, but he won't respect free speech is a core tenet of constitutional democracy, and which is the major offense the current government accused Kanu of violating on social media. Of note, even the court in Benin Republic granted Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho bail on health grounds a few months ago. Justice Bintalo Yakol of the Federal High Court in Abuja cannot continue foot dragging needlessly on the bail application of Kanu, going by presumption of innocence and his deteriorating health conditions, which can get worse in the coming days if he is disallowed access to quality health facilities. Under Section 35 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, bail is a conditional right guaranteed, and the judge should uphold this. It is under the jurisdiction of the court to grant Kanu bail, and this is long overdue. According to various administration of criminal justice laws applicable in the South and the Nigerian Criminal Procedure Code applicable in the North. In fact, Section 33(6) of the 1999 Constitution requires that a person who is arrested or detained be brought before a court of law within a reasonable time and be tried within a period of 2 months from the date of his arrest or detention, or be released unconditionally or upon certain conditions to ensure that he appears for trial at a later date. So my dear listeners, now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let's know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.